Morning, everybody. It's a beautiful October morning out here. Check this out. Whew, look at that, flat calm. We're actually here to do a little kayaking. Um, got about a 50-minute to hour kayak trip, but I'm at the boat landing, and I got to show you something here that's kind of unusual. Check this out. You see that? And over here. Oh, look at this. Look at that. So, some of you might know what's going on here. So you got this figured out yet? What those were walleye fingerlings. So apparently the walleye stocking truck, let me get out of the sun. The walleye stocking truck must have been here already this morning, because there are walleyes that size all over the place, all over this landing. You know, obviously some of them are dead, but you know, I'm sure most of them are somewhere out there having a good time. That's it. Got some kayaking to do. Over and out.